Hi, I'm Valdis from Dicadata, and I'm in Dicadata's Staging Center, where we'll be talking to Stacey about how we can support our customers with staging and configuration services at Dicadata. Stacey, how can Dicadata help our customers?
Welcome to the Staging Center. Our server configuration services range from a variety of hardware integration, DOA testing through to firmware updates, RAID configuration and installation of operating systems, hypervisors and virtual machines. Our partners use us to reduce engineering time in the field. They use our services to keep the bulk of the rubbish and clutter off-site for when their engineers go on-site. They have the peace of mind that when the server arrives on-site, it's been tested, all of the components have been installed, it's ready to go, to be racked and stacked, turned on, and away they go.
If we've got any of our partners that would like a little bit more information about what we do at Dica, what can we offer them?
We'd welcome them to come on site to do a tour and show them our fabulous staging centre. We'd put them in touch with our sales team so that they can find out more information about the services that we offer.
Thanks so much for that, Stacey.
That's my pleasure.
At Dica, we stock a wide range of Dell servers and options, and we can get them configured right here on site to make your journey to getting a new hardware easier. Reach out to the team and we can assist you with staging and configuration here at Dicadata.